On this question, we want to use the properties of logarithms to rewrite the expression as a single logarithm. Whenever possible, evaluate the logarithmic expressions. The expression we're working with is log base 4 of 192 minus log base 4 of 3. So first we want to write the expression as a single logarithm using the properties of logarithms that you see listed down here. Now in my expression I notice a minus sign, and in my properties there is one expanding and condensing property that has a minus, and that is the quotient rule. So I'm going to use the quotient rule to combine, and when we condense this to a single logarithm, we're going to condense it with division. So we can write this as log base 4. And by the way, we can only condense when the bases are the same. So if the bases are different, you wouldn't be able to use this property, the quotient rule. So when we condense to a single logarithm, we're going to use division. I'm using division because of the subtraction. If it were addition, we would use multiplication in the product rule. So we're going to do 192 divided by 3. And let me double check that with my calculator. 192 divided by 3 gives 64. And we'll notice here that it also mentions whenever possible, evaluate the logarithmic expression. So this logarithmic expression has a number inside of the logarithm, meaning that I'm going to be able to, or at least try to simplify this more. So I'm going to think log base 4 of 64. I'm not sure what that equals. Let it equal some value of p. I'm going to rewrite this equation in exponential form because it's easier for me to think in exponential form. So I'll write this as a base of 4 to the power p equals 64. And even if I'm not able to do this in my head, I can bring up my calculator and start thinking 4 to the second power, that's 16. 4 to the third power, oh, that gives me 64. So 4 to the third power is 64. And that must mean that my power is 3, and this log expression equals 3. So log base 4 of 64 is 3. So that entire expression, log base 4 of 192 minus log base 4 of 3, simplified to be 3. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.